Okay, let's talk about naman kuya, paano ka gumawa or paano ka mamili ng mga breeders na ipaparis mo
Oh, very
para
meticulous.
at least i-compete sila sa mga clubs lalo sa racing club
Sa
natin.
breeders, very meticulous ako eh. Kasi
Gusto mo ba yung mga bangkain, mga apple
it
body?
doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter, pero ang gusto ko lang dikit na sipit-sipitan.
Okay. How about the eyesight?
Very crucial ako sa
pairing?
dikit sipit-sipitan. And then yung eyesight, I studied eyesight for 20 years.
Okay.
Sa totoo lang, because yung mata ng kalapate is very beautiful.
Yes, yes.
You know, if you look at it sa eyepiece,
Mhm.
my God, I was like in another world, you know? Na-mesmerize ako. So nagsikap akong matuklasan kung ano yung meron talaga yung
Eyesight.
eyesight na yan. But, you know, eyesight is a hereditary trait.
Okay.
Kung may family ka na napakaganda ng eyesight, matatransfer yan sa, kung maganda ang genetics.
Mm-mm.
Genetics yan eh.
Mm-mm.
Hereditary trait. You know, ano lang yan. For me, eyesight is just an icing in a cake.
Okay.
But, kasi ano eh,
Masasabi ba through eyesight malalaman mo na kung pang long distance or short distance ang ibon?
No.
Okay.
No, but may clue ka.
May clue.
You
Okay.
know, hindi ko naman sinasabi, sasabihin mo, oh, ganda nito, meron ganito, may ganyan.
Yes.
Long distance na yan. Hindi.
For your breeding ba kuya, kailangan na ginagawa mo ba different colors ng eyes pag nagpe-pair ka?
Ang nagturo sa akin about breeding different colored eye, si Tom Foley,
Okay.
which is through Feng Ling in in San Mateo. Feng Ling is a Chinese guy who befriended Tom Foley, who is a British guy.
Okay.
Very nice guy, Tom Foley. And ang kanilang theory is yung full eye, perfect eye.
Okay.
Yung full eye is parang iisa lang ang kulay ng iris.
Okay, as a whole.
You know, as a whole.
Mm-mm.
Parang nako-cover niya yung pupil. Kung ito yung pupil, ito yung iris color na yellow. Puro yellow na yan, andun yung pupil sa gitna.
Okay.
Well, a perfect eye has rings of rings. Yun yung sinasabi nila.
Yes, oo.
Eye sign.
Yes,
Okay?
yes, yes.
Yung, andun makikita mo yung correlation, makikita mo yung breeding signs and everything, you know. Yun ang perfect eye. Yung, kumbaga sa ang perfect eye is, ito yung pupil. There were circles upon circles, tapos dark circles yung outer line.
Okay.
Okay? Yun yung perfect eye kung tawagin.
Okay.
While in contrast, yung tinatawag nilang full eye, isang ring lang yan, parang binalutan
Yes,
lang ng
yes.
isang kulay yan.
Isang kulay.
Isang kulay, tapos walang karing-ring na
Okay.
around the pupil.
Mm.
Okay? Pero yung kanyang pupil, dapat maganda.
Mm.
Oo.
Pero anong yung best doon? Yung may ring or yung
Pero
pure?
sa totoo lang, for me, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Nasa bloodline yun eh.
Pero in your experience,
In my experience, you made the full eye to the perfect eye. It will give you variation.
okay.
And it will give you a much better razor.
Okay.
For my own experience.
Mm-mm.
And it's also the experience of Tom Foley and Feng Ling.
Okay.
You know, and they were champions. Kumbaga nag-champion din naman ako eh. You know?
Yes.
So, ang ano ko lang naman, napag-usapan yung champion.
Mm-mm.
Yung iba kasi, marami akong beginners na nakakausap.
Mm-mm.
Sir, 3 years, 5 years na ako.
Nagulong.
Wala pa akong napapanalunan kahit man lang maliit na trophy.
Okay.
Ang payo ko sa kanya, pagbutihin mo ng pag-aalaga. Carry on, perseverance.
Yes.
Perseverance. Your love will not develop kung wala kang perseverance and patience.
Mm-mm.
You know? Kasi eventually, you will win.
Okay.
You will win talaga. Sikap ka lang. Do your homework, number 1. Do your homework. Mag-research ka. If you don't know something, nababother ka, napakarami ng magagaling na pigeon fancier around. Maraming mababait na fancier.
Yes. Oo.
Oo, kukunti lang naman yung mga suway nila.
Dahil saka yung way back 90s natin, ang hirap kumuha talaga ng ibon.
But,
Ang hirap mag-acquire talaga.
Ito lang naman
di ba?
kasi ang totoo. Even me, back in San Francisco, napakahirap kasi they will only teach you pahapyaw.
Oo, hindi
They
complete.
will not teach you the whole scenario.
Yes, oo.
Why?
Kasi maglalaban kayo eh.
Competition mo siya.
Oo.
When I was talking to Dino, they are calling one of the young bird champion that I hopefully i-uplift ko na yung sarili ko. Tinalo ko siya. Tinalo ko yung king with 5 bird limit.
Okay.
Okay. Kaya very happy ako at that time. Pero talunin mo yung king with only shipping 5 bird limit. You know? And that's with my Verbruggens.
Yes.
And Verbruggens are really used, talagang magaling sila sa young bird competition.
Okay.
Kasi young bird competition in America or in Europe or whatever, umaabot lang yun ng 300 to 350 miles. But miles. Malayo na rin.
Malayo.
Oo. But in San Francisco, Bay Area, ang ano na kasi namin is, dadaanan mo yung yung Nevada Mountain,
Okay.
which is 9,000 to 13,000 feet high.
Okay.
Kailangan tawidin ng ibon mo yan
Oh.
para bumaba ng Sacramento Valley.
Okay.
But in those mountainous ridges, kasi galing ka ng Nevada, ang release namin is desert.
Oo, yes.
Nevada is desert, you know? Pag-release mo dyan, dadaan sila ng high mountain ridge. Andyan lahat yung mga
Predator.
predators nag-aabang.
Most likely, ano yung mga predators na nakaantabay dyan? Kuya?
Falcon.
Puro falcon.
Peregrine falcon.
Peregrine
They are very deadly.
Yes. oo.
They could dive real fast. You know, way up high. Sasalpukin nila. Tsaka lalo na, for so many years of racing, alam nila yung date.
Okay. So, kumpara dito, alam na yung mga kung anong oras itatayo yung lambat pagka ganun. Doon, alam na mga falcons kung kailan yung race.
See, these peregrine
season.
falcons are very intelligent creatures. And for them, that is food. That is, kumbaga panahon nung Indians during those times, di ba? O, inaano nila, di ba, yung mga, ano ba tayo, yung doon sila umano yung parang cattle sa kanila.
Okay, oo.
Di ba, inuubos nila yan.
Yes, oo.
You know? So, di ba, hinahunt nila yan. Kasi may time yan ng passing of the season.
Okay.
Parang gano'n. So, parang gano'n ang way of life ng peregrine sa mga racing pigeons sa San Francisco noon. Pag racing season na,
Nandun lahat sila.
alam na
nakaabang.
nila nakaabang na yan. O, meron ako.
Pero, ilan ang percentage ng pauwi nyo kapag kayo mga ganong panahon?
It depends. Kung Indian summer, kasi may Indian summer.
Okay.
Pag may Indian summer na extreme heat, over 90 degrees.
Oh, ang init.
Ang init. Talagang pwede ko, ano yung itlog?
Magluto.
Luto ka sa kalsada. Anyway, makakapagpauwi pa rin siguro. But, maswerte ka naman, maka 50% ka na pauwi.
Sa club.
And smash. Smash, grabe. Minsan, zero yung
Yung
zero
club.
yung isang lang.
Isang love. Okay.
Zero. Zero, walang pauwi. Siguro, in another 2 days, 3 days,
May mga-
may mga uuwi. But at the day of race, zero clocking. But it happens. Kasi,
Yes, it happens naman.
Kasi hindi naman, yan, Mother Nature yan.
Yes.
When Mother Nature strikes, you never know. what
Yes,
happens.
yes.
So, meron naman, may experience ako. Magkakasalabat ba yung race?
Okay.
Ang release ng ibang mga clubs from
Okay.
different, hindi na mo alam kung saan galing yung club na yun.
So, nabibit-bit.
Kung minsan, magkakasabayan yan sa Nevada.
Okay.
Mount
Dahil
Taos.
same schedule din. ang
Kung
release.
minsan, not all the time. Not all the time, but there were times. Kaya pag nagsalabatan yan, the desert sa Nevada, very, ano yan, parang puzzle yan.
Okay.
Yung mga ridges.
Mm-mm.
Kung titignan mo yung map, meron ako dyan, binili ko yan. Lou Stevens told me, Toto, do you know that if the smash occurs, it's really bad when it occurs in the Nevada Mountains.
Mhm.
Here is why. Sabi niya, bumili siya yung mga prominent mountains ng
Talaga?
Nevada and California. Wow!